To add any of Canva's built-in media to your project, click on Elements over here on the left side. And at the top, you have recently used stuff. Then you have audio. So this is going to be all of your music and sound effects. You have videos. So this is like stock videos of generic looking stock videos. And then you have graphics, which is like hand-drawn, animated type of stuff. Stickers, which move. You have photos, which is just stock photos. Shapes, which are resizable elements. So like, for example, that one's a square, but when you add it, you could turn it into a rectangle by making it longer. You could change the dimensions of it any way that you want. Charts look like that. Tables are like Excel tables. Frames are elements with certain shapes that you can add images to, and then the image will take on that shape. And some of the frames have things around them. For example, something like this with the computer frame. So then it would look like whatever you put into there is playing on a computer. And you have mock-ups. So this is where you can make it look like it's on a t-shirt, your image is on a t-shirt, on a computer, things like that. But all of your elements that are built into Canva will come from here. You can do a search to search for keywords. If it's not in there, you can add your own stuff by going through the uploads section. And to see how to do that, check out this video next.